In this video, I'll show you how you can watch The Flash on Netflix that will work for you 100% of the time. Stay tuned. Also in this video, I'll be giving you a before and after comparison of my Netflix account, and I'll also show you the mobile version so you can see that this method is working for iPhones and Android devices as well. Let's get started. Okay guys, so when it comes to watching The Flash online using your existing Netflix account, the best way that I've found is to use a VPN, also known as a virtual private network. So this essentially changes your location from one place to another, so you're able to access the different libraries of Netflix from all around the world. So as an example, I'm here in Australia and we unfortunately don't have access to The Flash. However, when I connect to the American-based version of Netflix, I not only get access to The Flash, I also get a lot of Marvel movies, Star Wars, and the list pretty much does go on. So as far as VPNs go, I personally do use and recommend NordVPN. I've been using them for several months now, and they've been able to connect me to the American-based Netflix 100% of the time, and it also works for iPhone devices as well. So if you're looking to follow along in this video or you're interested in getting started with NordVPN, I've got a massive 70% discount link down below in the video description if you want to check them out. So anyway, I'm going to dive straight into this video, and I'm quickly going to show you a before and after comparison of my Netflix account, just so you guys can see that this method is 100% working, because I don't want to waste anyone's time. So to start, I'm simply going to search for The Flash, and as I'm on the Australian version, this unfortunately won't come up, but I can quickly fix this by using the NordVPN app. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the icon, and then I can simply click on the United States, and this will connect me to the fastest server in the US, and this will only take a couple of moments to connect. And once it does, I just get a notification saying I am successfully connected. So all I have to do from now onwards is just go back to my Netflix home, and then I'm just going to go ahead and refresh the browser, which will put me onto the American version of Netflix. So pretty much all I have to do now is just go ahead and search for The Flash like before, but instead this will come up with the actual TV show plus a massive other list of TV shows as well. So as you can see here, we now have The Flash, and if I just click on this arrow, I can see that I have all 5 seasons, and then I can go to episodes. And if you're looking to unlock The Flash using your existing Netflix account, don't forget to check out the discount link down below, as this will save you a bit of money up front. So as I was saying at the beginning of the video, I'll also show you the mobile version of NordVPN as well. So I'll just make this screen a little bit bigger just so you guys can see it on the mobile device. So I've already gone ahead and connected to the American server within the NordVPN app, and you can see that's the case when it's got the green bar on the top there. So pretty much all I have to do now is go ahead and go into my Netflix account. So I'm just going to go ahead and search for The Flash, and this will just take a little bit, and then there you go guys, I now have The Flash on my version of Netflix, which I can view on my mobile device. So it really is a simple and quick process to getting The Flash on your Netflix account. So again, if you're looking to get started with NordVPN and unlock 3,000 TV shows and movies, don't forget to check out the discount link down below, as it will save you some money up front. So if you have any other questions about streaming Netflix or TV shows or VPNs, please drop the comments down below, as I'll be happy to make some new videos for you guys out there or answer any questions. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.